Millions of years before humans walked the Earth, our planet was home to extraordinary creatures. Some were huge, some were powerful, and some were so strange that they almost seem unreal. These ancient animals ruled oceans, skies, and forests with abilities far beyond anything living today. In this video, we explore 15 prehistoric monsters that actually existed. These creatures shaped Earth's history with their size, strength, and unique features. Get ready to travel back in time and meet the giants, hunters, and deep-sea beasts that once dominated our world. Number 1. Tyrannosaurus rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex, is one of the most famous prehistoric creatures. It lived about 68 to 66 million years ago and was one of the strongest land predators of its time. T-Rex stood nearly 12 meters long, with powerful legs and a massive head filled with huge bone-crushing teeth. Scientists believe it had one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom. Even though it had very small arms, its jaws and speed made it deadly. The T-Rex hunted large dinosaurs and easily defended its territory. Its size, dominance, and fearsome appearance make it one of the greatest prehistoric monsters of all time. Number 2. Megalodon. The Megalodon was the largest shark that ever lived. It swam through ancient oceans around 23 million to 3.6 million years ago. This giant monster could reach more than 18 meters in length, 3 times longer than the biggest great white shark today. Megalodon had enormous teeth, each bigger than a human hand, built for biting whales and other huge sea animals. Its strong tail helped it swim quickly, making it one of the top predators in prehistoric waters. Although Megalodon is extinct, its fossils show that it was one of the most powerful ocean creatures that ever existed. Number 3. Spinosaurus. The Spinosaurus was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs, even bigger than T-Rex. It lived around 100 million years ago and had a long crocodile-like snout filled with sharp teeth. Its tall, sail-shaped spine made it truly unique. Scientists believe Spinosaurus spent much of its time in rivers and lakes, hunting fish and other aquatic animals. Its long tail and strong limbs helped it swim easily. With its unusual body shape and impressive size, Spinosaurus is one of the most extraordinary prehistoric monsters ever discovered. Number 4. Titanoboa. The Titanoboa was the biggest snake in Earth's history. It lived around 60 million years ago in warm, swampy regions. This massive snake could reach about 13 meters in length. Almost twice the size of a modern anaconda. Titanoboa likely wrapped its strong body around its prey and used its weight to overpower animals. Scientists believe it preferred to stay near water where it could move smoothly. Its incredible size and strength make Titanoboa one of the most terrifying prehistoric reptiles. Number 5. Mosasaurus. The Mosasaurus was a giant marine reptile that lived during the late Cretaceous period. It was not a dinosaur, but was one of the strongest hunters in ancient seas. Mosasaurus could grow up to 17 meters long and had a long body, powerful tail, and sharp teeth built for catching fast-moving prey. It often hunted fish, turtles, and smaller marine reptiles. Its size and hunting skills made it a top predator. When you picture a huge, ancient sea monster, the Mosasaurus fits that image perfectly. Number 6. Dunkleosteus. The Dunkleosteus was an armored fish that lived around 358 million years ago. It had a thick skull covered with hard plates and strong jaws with sharp, bony edges instead of teeth. These jaws could open quickly and bite with incredible force. Dunkleosteus hunted other fish and used its speed to surprise its prey. Its appearance was both strange and powerful, making it one of the most fearsome creatures of ancient oceans. Even though it lived long before dinosaurs, it was one of the most impressive predators of its time. Number 7. Quetzalcoatlus. The Quetzalcoatlus was the largest flying animal that ever lived. With a wingspan of more than 10 meters, it soared above prehistoric landscapes like a giant shadow in the sky. This flying reptile walked on land with long, stilt-like legs and used its long beak to catch small animals. Scientists believe it spent much of its time gliding through the air, using its size and wings to travel long distances. Its huge wings and lightweight bones made it truly remarkable. Number 8. Sarcosuchus. The Sarcosuchus, also known as the super croc, was one of the largest crocodile-like reptiles ever discovered. It lived around 112 million years ago and could grow nearly 12 meters long. Its long snout was filled with large, strong teeth, perfect for grabbing fish and other prey. Sarcosuchus lived in freshwater rivers and used its powerful jaws to control its habitat. Its massive size and tough appearance earned it the nickname Super Croc, and it truly deserved that name. Number 9. Pliosaurus. The Pliosaurus, sometimes called Predator X, was an enormous marine reptile that lived during the Jurassic period. It had one of the strongest bites of any animal, and a huge skull filled with large teeth. Pliosaurus used its powerful neck muscles to strike prey with incredible force. It swam through deep oceans hunting fish, squid, and even other large marine reptiles. Its strong body and aggressive hunting style made it one of the scariest underwater monsters of prehistoric times. Number 10. Gigantopithecus. The Gigantopithecus was the largest ape to ever walk the earth. It stood nearly 3 meters tall and weighed several hundred kilograms. This prehistoric giant lived in the forests of Asia and ate mostly plants. Although it was not a predator, its massive size would make it incredibly intimidating today. Many people compare it to the mythical Bigfoot, but the Gigantopithecus was a real creature that lived around 2 million to 300,000 years ago. Number 11. Andrewsarchus. The Andrewsarchus was a massive mammal that lived around 45 million years ago. It is known mainly from its huge skull, which suggests it had a strong bite and a powerful body. Scientists believe it ate meat and possibly scavenged for food. Andrewsarchus looked like a mix between a wolf and a giant boar, with a long snout and strong legs. Its size and appearance make it one of the most unusual prehistoric creatures. Number 12. Arthropleura. The Arthropleura was a giant millipede-like creature that lived over 300 million years ago. It could grow up to 2.5 meters long, making it one of the largest insects ever discovered. Although scientists believe it ate plants, its enormous size and long, armored body would make it frightening to see today. Arthropleura lived in dense forests where it could move easily on the ground. Its strange design makes it one of the most interesting prehistoric creatures. Number 13. Liopleurodon. The Liopleurodon was another powerful marine reptile that lived during the Jurassic period. It had strong flippers, a long body, and a large head filled with sharp teeth. Scientists believe it was incredibly fast underwater, using sudden bursts of speed to catch its prey. Liopleurodon could grow around 6 meters long, and some estimates suggest even larger sizes. Its hunting style and strength make it one of the top ancient ocean predators. Number 14. Terror bird. The terror bird lived in South America around 60 million years ago. It could not fly but stood nearly 3 meters tall and had a strong beak built for striking. Terror birds were fast runners and hunted smaller animals by chasing them. Their tall, upright build and powerful legs made them effective predators. This bird had a frightening presence because of its height and strength, earning it the name terror bird. Number 15. Megatherium. The Megatherium, also known as the giant ground sloth, was one of the largest land mammals that ever existed. It lived in South America and could stand up to 6 meters tall when on its hind legs. Although it moved slowly and ate plants, its size made it a giant of prehistoric landscapes. Megatherium used its long claws to pull leaves from tall trees and defend itself from predators. Its peaceful nature and huge body make it one of the most unique prehistoric monsters. Our planet was once home to giants of the land, sky, and sea. These prehistoric monsters shaped the world in ways we are still learning about today. Their fossils remind us of how big, powerful, and mysterious ancient life truly was. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's past, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing look at nature's greatest creatures. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next incredible adventure.